Tabuk haste gnino Rwngnogo kotoro Kokborok Phrwngjagwi tongo master degree bo Kokborok Swrangchati tongo Phrwngjagwi tongo abo haikino laithangnai metalni chi salmari bo sabrom division bai khobjak Francis de Sales School Catholic School TSF Sawadjuni luwajung bai Kokborok subject no phrwngnani bagai memorandum yafarjak mani tei tini thangi Naikha Phrwngjagwi de tong arthang semanka Rwngrem sani simi Rwngrem remnoi jora Phrwngjagwi tongo abo haikino TSF no kokjaka bwskangni bisirogo phane bisirogo Rwngrem sukuti Rwngrem si bo Phrwngjaknai
Hambai press media no जों दिनै हायनो inspection te saituina piha sini tamtai Saint Francis de Sales School Cathedral School in the Sindhupathur Sabrum subdivision sini South Zone TSF ni bisingtei sini je Kokborok subject no चालू खालामनायनि बागै memorandum submit खालामनानै थांनाय 10 तारिख ना 10 तारिख मे 2022 जों submit खालामनानै memorandum बिनि उनाव 1 and 2 no तामन्ताय start खालामजाक already Kokborok line good news sini totally south and sabrum area dro first time mo Catholic school ni je Kokborok no चालू खालायो sini Sindhupathur dro school ni mung ha Saint Francis de Sales School school ni mung ha obon bai जों हामबाय मारो sini principal te school sensu committee te school ni staff rok no o tamantai sini krok je TSF ni South Zone ni krok no bro yasakmani bai जों बेलायनो हामबाय मारो sini principal and father no do ani mungla Mahatma Tripura South Zone ni tamantai TSF ni president do हामबाय tabok sini yang tong sini bakak sini assistant secretary sini South Zone ni sini Biswaranjan Tripura te yang bakak tong sini assistant finance secretary sini Bijoy Tripura sini assistant secretary kosa korok sanai bo kosa korok sai bindero jorawai
once again thanks to media to last memorandum we come and submit here on 10 of May 2022 for implementing a Kokborok subject in this St. Francis School in Sindhupathur and today we had a good news that that they have already started the Kokborok subject in this school from class 1 to class 2 and I hope by next year they'll be increasing the numbers
9-10
yes and thanks to all the managing committee of this school and thanks to them also as they have accepted our TSF memorandum and today we are really grateful that it has already started the subject once again thank you.